Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video session, I am going to solve week 12 assignment of Advanced Computer Networks, and this is the last assignment of this course. So I would like to thank you all my friends and students, those who are supporting me, and wish you all the best for this exam. Okay, so let's start this assignment. Now question number 1: how many packets are used in Indian architecture to retrieve a named chunk from a content provider? The options are 1, 2, 3, 4, and the answer will be 2. The 2 packets are: 1 interest packet and 2 is data packet. Okay, so I select this one. Now question number 2: how does Indian handle data caching? The options are: by caching data on end user devices, by caching data on intermediate nodes, by caching data on a centralized server. NDS does not support data caching, and the answer will be by caching data on intermediate nodes. Okay, so I select this one. Now get into the next question. Question number 3: which of the following statements is correct about named data networking, NDN and IP architectures? The options are: NDN network, like IP packet delivery, employs best effort data retrieval. NDN has a stateless data plane, whereas IP has a stateful data plane. IP includes a security primitive directly at the network layer. One interest packet can fetch multiple data packets in NDN. The routing plane of IP is dumb, whereas the routing plane of NDN is smart. The answer will be: NDN network, like IP packet delivery, employs best effort data retrieval. And NDN has stateful actually. Okay, stateful, and whereas IP has stateless. That's why this is incorrect. So I select this one. Now question number 4: which of the following problems is addressed by NDN name based routing? The options are: addressed space exhaustion, NAT traversal, guarantee of no data loss, address management. The answer will be address space exhaustion, NAT traversal, and address management. So I select this one, this one, and this one. Now question number 5: which of the following is a key difference between CS and PIT tables in NDN? Okay. CS means content store, and PIT means pending interest table. Okay, the options are: the CS is used to forward interest to the next hop, while PIT is used to store data. That is not correct. The CS is used to store the interest of the unresponsive data, while the PIT is used to store data. That is also not correct actually. The CS is used to store data, while the PIT is used to store the interest of the unresponsive data, and that is correct. The CS is used to store incoming interface, while the PIT is used to forward interest to the next hop, and that is not correct. The answer will be the CS is used to store data, while the PIT is used to store the interest of the unresponsive data. Okay, so the answer will be this one. Now question number 6. Which of the following are the reasons why NDN may be more efficient than IP in terms of network resource usage? Okay, the options are: data packets can be cached at intermediate nodes, interest and data packets can be forwarded to multiple producers or consumers, interest packets are always routed towards the content producer via the shortest path, and NDN networking paradigms do not pose data privacy or availability risk. And the answer will be this one and this one. Okay, so I select those options. Now question number 7. Which of the following statements are correct about the naming in NDN? The options are: NDN uses the hierarchical naming convention. Names are generated by application. User or application developers do not have the ability to define their own naming convention. NDN does not support flat naming nodes. The correct statement will be: NDN uses the hierarchical naming convention and names are generated by application. Okay. Now question number 8. In a standard NDN architecture, how many data structures does each router typically maintain in order to process NDN packets? The options are 2, 3, 4, 5, and the answer will be 3. And these are FIB, forwarding information base, then PIT and CS. These are the 3 structures. Okay, so I select this option. Now question number 9. Which of the following statements are incorrect about the security in NDN? The options are: content producer will cryptographically sign the data packet, the system cannot be attacked using information obtained from the identifier, NDN uses end-to-end encryption to protect content in transit, encryption is mandatory for the data packets transmitted over the network. And the incorrect statement will be this one and this one. So I select this one and this one. Now question number 10, which is the last question of this assignment. What is the role of the NDN trust model to ensure data availability to ensure that packets are successfully delivered to the requesters, to ensure data authenticity and integrity, to manage network resources. And the answer will be this one, to ensure data authenticity and integrity. Okay, so I select this one. So friends, I have completed this assignment. Hope this is benefited to you. Once again, I would like to thank you all my friends and students, those who are supporting me, and wish you all the best for this exam. And one more thing I am telling you, that review all the assignments, assignment 1 to assignment 12, so you can get similar type of question, at least 40 to 50%. Okay, not exact question, but you can get similar question. Okay, so thank you once again, and if there is any changes in answer, so I can comment in comment box. Okay, thank you once again, thank you, and Jai Hind.